Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to share with you all what I received in my 2020 February Boxycharm box for this month. I do not have the insert. I'm not 100% sure if the insert came in my box or not this month. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look up online and actually see I received a February insert card, which will help me out with what's in my box since I do not have the actual card. So the first thing in my box is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It's a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. And the retail market price is $44, which is inexpensive pricing for foundation. Now I've had this foundation before, and I've had it actually in another color, in the color bamboo, and it was more like of a tan color for me. So I want to try more of a neutral color that would be kind of more on my neutral skin tone, because I'm a neutral kind of person when it comes to my skin color. So I want to kind of do that. So that's why I chose the olive, because I really do like the foundation. It lasts a really long time. You do not have to use a whole lot of it because it's really full coverage, and that's why I really like it. So the next item in my box is the Alamar Cosmetics complexion brush trio, which is these brushes here. And it says that this vegan and cruelty free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, a brightening brush, suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. Now, these brushes retail for $36. So I'm going to open these brushes so I can take a look at them and we can get a look at them together for $36. Now, Alamar has some great products. I've received a couple of eyeshadow brushes before in my Boxycharms, and I really like them. They're really soft. So this is the bronzer brush. It's a really nice soft, and I could use another bronzer brush. I really like this. I think I have to wash it first though, but it's really soft. I like it. It's like a lot of hot fibers. Real soft. The next one, this is the brightening brush. So I'm going to assume, I'm going to take off my glasses. So I'm going to assume the brightening brush goes maybe under your eye area when you're putting on brightening powders and things of that nature. So I like the shape of the brush. It's a really nice shape. The next one is a complexion brush. So I'm going to assume this is a foundation more type brush. Let's see. More of a stippling type. I don't know, but it's really soft, so I don't know how that'll work for me with foundation. Looks more of like a blush brush for me, but we'll see. I'll try it out as a foundation brush, but I'm thinking more of a blush brush. But I do like the colors of it, the coppery handles, and the fluffiness of the brush. So it is a nice set. Like I said, it retails for $36. So I think these are going to be some nice brushes. My next item in my box is the Ciate London Everyday K Coconut Setting Powder. And it says, it locks in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. It's delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focused finish with no flashback. And it retails for $22. And this is what the packaging looks like. I like the little bow on the front of the cap. Let's see. Ciate Adore. So, so I can't wait to use this to see how it says. It says it does not give any flashback, but we'll see, because it's really a white powder, and a lot of times I know white powders tend to give a good flashback, but we'll see once we use it. The next item is the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads, which is this here. In this little container, and it says that a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. Okay, so it says if you wipe this pad across your face and neck once or twice after cleansing, then that should do the job. So they look pretty moist in here. They do not look dry. They look like they're really, really wet, kind of like. So I think that may work. Yeah, they're really, really wet. They're not dried. Oops. They're going to be dried out after I keep doing that. Oh my God, that was a lot too. I might want to put this up before I dry them out. We'll at least close the cap. So, but I'm gonna actually start using these probably today when I take off my makeup, and then see what difference it does in my skin. But it definitely says that it helps provide a flawless makeup application once you use it two to three times a day. My last item is the Evo Beautiful Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, which is in this package here, and it says these biodegradable multitasking Evo Skin Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof eye makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. I'm really excited about that because a lot of times when I put stuff on my face and my eyes tend to water, and they waters a whole lot. Like in this area here, it'll water and water and water to the point it just would not stop watering, and I can't literally put anything on around my eye area for a while, a couple of days or so, when it starts irritating like that. So I am really, really, really careful when I put wipes and things of that nature, like this kind of stuff, around my eye area, because it irritates me like really, really bad, and it burns, and it feels like a little cut be right on the side of my eye, and I cannot take it. So I just try to stay away from a lot of wipes and stuff around my eyes, because the perfumes and all of that stuff, it just irritates my eyes like it's no tomorrow. It's like really, really, really an irritating feeling. So I'm gonna try these out. It says that they avoid inflammation and irritation, so we'll see what it does. But overall, I definitely use them to remove my makeup and see how it works. But I'm hoping that it does not irritate my eyes, because again, if I get some stuff that irritates my eyes, I'm done for a while. I'm done for the next couple of days. I can't do anything. I can't put anything around my eyes, not even facial cleaner. So I am very, very, very particular about what I put around my eyes, because they are so sensitive. So again, I'm sorry for the rambling, but those are the items that I received in my box this month for February. Overall box, it's okay. It's really not a bragger box, but I do still enjoy my Boxycharms regardless of what they put in there, because again, I'll say it over and over and over. For $25, you get 4 to 5, most of the time 5 full-size products, which I still enjoy for $25. So I do not complain what's in the box. I just take it for what it is, and I love everything that normally be in the box. It's just, it wasn't a wow box for me, but it's still a good box for me, for what you get for the price of what you get in the box. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.